So here we have the Airwrap Complete Long Volumise, boxed as new, used once, just once. Not that I'm bitter about that. Okay, so in here, in this little box here, you have this thing. Don't know what that does, but you put it on the end and do something with your hair with it. And then the main decorative box inside. So open that up. Okay, and you get this little thing here, which you can open up just the same as when you got it new. Surprise, surprise. Let's try and open the thing. Here we go. And you can see some basic training. There's loads of training online for these things. But that's some basic training there. You lift off that padded lid, and in here you can see we've got everything as it was. It was new. So this thing, this other thing, the straighteners themselves, well, not straighteners, either, whatever they're called. They're in there. There it is. The main event, I suppose. As you can see, it's perfect in every way, which isn't surprising, having been used only once. Take something that cost me £460 and turn it into something that's only worth £200 by using it once. Well, hopefully you enjoy it more. You do use it more than that, because it's quite sad. In here, it's just a comb in this box. See, told you, there it is, comb. Right, let's continue exploring. So there's this thing here, another thing. Lift that out. Underneath it, you can see another thing. There you go. Something else. Wonderful. Yeah. And then this last bit here, which if you open it the correct way round, let's see if I can do that. Okay, contains these other things. One like that. And one like that. Now I've had a look at the after sales link page from Argos, and it looks like that's all the pieces that came with it when it was new. So we've got everything, which is good. There you go. So if you think you're going to use this more than once, then you get the bargain price of £200 for it, meaning that if you don't use it, you can sell it and get the same money back, so there's no risk, unlike my loss of £269. Thank you for watching.